Have you ever wondered how to EQ the left and right channels separately? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you two methods in which you can EQ the left and right channels separately to get a balanced sound. So before we even dive into the tutorial, we need to understand what is audio equalization. So in simple terms, equalization or EQ is the process of adjusting the balance of different frequency ranges in an audio signal. So this helps enhance the clarity, tonal balance, and overall quality of your audio. So let's get right into the video. Enough of me talking about EQ. So on my screen right now, I have a guitar loop. So we're going to be using that loop. I'm going to send this loop to a mixer track. So I'll be showing you the first method in which I'll be using stereo image shaper. Okay. So you need to load up a stereo shaper. You load up an EQ and you go to an empty mixer track. You load up an EQ. I'm just going to name this as left. I'll name this as right. Okay, so now what you have to do is you're going to go on the left channel and sidechain to this track. This is very important. I'm going to open up the equalizer. This is for my left channel. This is for my right channel. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to the left right splitter. Okay. So now we have split the audio into the left channel and the right channel. So here you can EQ the left side. Let's say if I want some bass in the left, and let's do that. For the second method, I'll be using patcher. So I'm going to load up patcher. I'm going to load stereo shaper. I'm going to load another stereo shaper. I'm going to load an EQ for the left side and the right side. Okay. I'm going to rename this as right. I'm going to connect. I'm going to connect the Fruity stereo shaper to the EQs. Now on the stereo shaper, I'm going to bring down the volume of this knob. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. Okay, now we have the left channel and the right channel, so I'll just mute that. I'm going to unmute this by right clicking, and I'll mute this. That's the left channel. Okay, so I'll unmute everything. So the whole point of EQing the left and the right channel is to find a balance in the left, on the left side and the right side, and it can also help you stereo image and make your audio wider. So it's very good when it comes to combining with different elements in the mix. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, consider subscribing for more audio related content, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the future videos, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.